This is the Meeting Owl Pro. He lives in this box here. I'm going to get him hooked up and I'll show you what to do from there. Alright, so on the bottom there's space for power, which is the circle on the left, and then the USB connection, which is the input on the right. So those cords both get plugged into the teaching station, USB and power cord, and then they get plugged into the owl. So then you can download the free app Meeting Owl, put that on your phone, and then you select the owl. So once it's on, your phone will pick up on that, and then you can start telling it what to do with camera controls. Once you've gone through the prompts in the app, which you might have to log in and create the first time, then you can open Zoom, and it's okay to just choose to join with computer audio. Then start your video, and owl wakes up, and lo and behold, you have a few different views here. You've got your panoramic view, and then you have the part where it will actually localize to where it hears the sound. So if I'm standing over here, speaking from the other side of this presentation screen, it'll find me and it will show that view there. So the people at home will actually see both this large view and the panoramic view. Then you go back into your app and select Camera Lock, and it'll take you to this screen here. And once you click the prompt at the bottom, take control, you'll be able to move that rectangle back and forth to lock in on a section of your panoramic view. So again, you hit take control and it takes you to here where you can slide that rectangle back and forth along your panoramic view, and it'll stay here until you click reset.